Welcome back to CSTech. My name is Claudio, and in this video I'm gonna try to cover all the main features of this charging station. So let's get started. First of all, let me start with a little disclaimer. English is not my native language, so I hope you can understand everything I'm trying to explain over here. And of course, if you have any question and if you don't understand something from what I spoke over here, don't worry, write me in the comment area below and I will try my best to answer to all of your questions. So let's focus to our main star. So the main star of this video is this charging station for your car. In this video, we're gonna speak and I'm gonna unbox you the second model from Morek. Morek is a company based in China. They sent me this device and I told them if I test this device and the device is a good and it's a very good quality, I will make a video for them. They are based in China and of course they have an AliExpress store and they can ship from Germany, from France, from Italy. And if you live outside Europe, you can receive this from China warehouse. And if you live in Canada or in US, you can receive the same charging station from US stock. So if you want to buy and if you are looking for a charging station for your UV car, this one is the most cheapest one that I found on the market. Let me explain you the main features of this charging station. First of all, the price. The price is around $500 US. You receive in this money a charging station that has an LCD display, has a power of 7.5 kilowatts that can be sent to your car, has a 32 amps and of course has a 5 meters type 2 cable, only one phase, and has a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and of course has an app. The app is very powerful and of course you can make all the settings from your app. So if you plan to install this in one public garage, no one can charge the car without your permission. Even they press the power button of the charging station, the charging station will stop because you have the option into the app to disable or enable the charging station and enable or disable the side button. First of all, let me open the box and show you how this charging station looks, and we'll try to cover more things into the next part of the video. Once you receive the unit, you will notice a user manual. The user manual is made in 2 languages, and of course you will see here step-by-step configuration, step-by-step information that allow you to connect and pair this one with your phone. The charging station, it's compatible with the iOS device, with Android device, has a built-in app, and of course the app can be connected to your phone via Bluetooth if you are near the charging station. And of course has also built-in Wi-Fi connection. For example, the charging station will be connected to your Wi-Fi router from your home, and of course you can turn on, turn off and see the history of your charging from your Wi-Fi connection. The other thing that you can find into the box, it's a drilling template. Because this charging station is designed to be installed outside, is rated to IP66. This means it's dust protected and splash protected. Don't install this into the direct water flow. It has, like I told you, IP66 rating, but try to don't put into the direct sunlight. Let me explain you about sunlight. This charging station has a built-in temperature sensor. This temperature sensor reads the outside and inside temperature. If you mount this into the direct sunlight, the plastic case will become overheat, and of course the temperature sensor that is inside will report this amount of temperature to the charging station, because has the temperature compensate. If you, for example, set the car to be charged with 32 amps, the charging station will notice that it's very hot outside because it's put it into the direct sunlight, will reduce the amount of energy that will be sent to your car. The charging station will pretend that outside is very hot. She can pretend that the battery is very hot, and as you know, the lithium battery is very dangerous to be charged when it's hot. So we'll automatically reduce the amount of energy that is sent to the car. We'll test, of course, this feature into the real world test, and of course stay with us if you want to see more video. So we talk about the main features of this station, so let me show you the station. First of all, the pack is very small, and you notice it's very well packed because it's delivery from China or it's delivery from Germany, for example. Need to be safe into the transport. Let me remove all the protection. As you can see, it's very well protected. Okay, let me put this over here. We have inside a small package and of course the charging station itself. has the bubble protection, and of course let me open it. Take a closer look. The exterior of the charging station is from plastic. It's a gray plastic, and of course the only button you can find over here, it's here on the side. Like I told you, you can unlock or lock this power button from your app. If you mount it in the public garage, you can select from your app and disable this charging button. If you mount this in your home garage, don't worry, just activate this charging button, and once you connect the Type 2 connector to your car, just hit the power button and automatically the charging station will start. For those who like IT, for example, one like me, I don't want to push over here. I like to turn on the app, and of course, once I turn on the app and I install the app, all the settings can be made only from the phone. Onto the front, you can see has a built-in LCD display. It's a color one, and of course you will receive here and you will see information about the charging power, the current, and of course the current time from actual
Sorry, I'm unable to resume. Please try again.
Okay, sorry, Siri tried to do something. Let me come back to the video. The LCD display is color display. Of course, I told you can display you the main error from the charging station. For example, if you set a scheduled program from the app, of course you can see on the display that the charging station is booked for tomorrow and no one can charge the car without cancel the actual job from the phone. If you have multiple user, because this one allow you to have multiple user, you will see into the information, into the history, each user how much of energy he used, how much time charged, and of course how much of the energy was delivered to the car. So LCD display, multifunction, you can see all kind of stuff you can see in the app. On the back you can see you have a metal black paint, must be fixed into the wall. You can see over here on the bottom you have the same lock mechanism that allow you to lock this one. Cables, because we must talk about cables. This one has one phase connection. You can see over here you have a line, you have the neutral, and you have earth protection. Over here I recommend you, like in all my videos, to mount a differential breaker. In case of something happening with your cable, for example, from various reasons you damage this cable and will stay outside into the rain, the differential breaker will detect the leakage and automatically disconnect the charging station. This could save your life. Cables this time has wires by, let me check, 3 wires, 6 square millimeters each, so it's very good wires. The cable is TPA, and of course it's very soft and you can bend it very well. This cable has only 1 meter long, and of course you need to mount, like I told you, and sorry for I repeat, a circuit breaker that has differential protection. The main cable has 5 meters. It's the same cable like power cable, but on one side you can find the Type 2 connection. The Type 2 connector, it's a very big connector, has a very grip into the hand, and of course is made from plastic. It has CE improvement, and you can see over here has only 3 pins. You have neutral, you have earth protection, and of course L1. So this one is more than perfect if you want to charge your car with maximum 7.5 kilowatts of energy. I will mount this in my home because I have 2 EQ Smart, and of course I will try to charge them every day with this station. Let me show you fast what you can find inside. Screws, and of course you have the same wall hanger, so you mount this onto the wall, and of course you can hang your cable like this. Okay, this is the charging station. I repeat the main features: has Bluetooth, has Wi-Fi, has an app, has 7.5 kilowatts, 32 amps, LCD display, is free shipping, and of course costs you around $500 US. If you want to buy, I will leave into the description below the link for her. If you want to buy the exact model that you can see over here, please follow the links into the description below. If you go to AliExpress, it's possible to see the same charging station, the same outside cases, but inside it's possible to have missing features. For example, if the charging station look exactly the same, it's possible to have to not have in fact app, don't have the Bluetooth, don't have the Wi-Fi connection. It's possible to have just the standard charging station that will be turned on off just pressing on this device. So if you have any question, I repeat, write me in the comment area below, and of course I will be here waiting for all your questions. If you want to see more videos like this, don't hesitate, hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, and of course if you want to share this with your friends, I will be more than grateful. I'm Claudio from the CSTech, and thank you for watching. So catch you in the next one.